Hey, it's Kassy. Today I'm going to make a really fun, use a fun technique to make this card. It's a rose bouquet stencil from the Crafter's Workshop and white pearl modeling paste. So I've stuck this down to my paper with washi tape to make sure that it stays in place while I'm putting this modeling paste all over the stencil. I'm going to do a really fun technique. It gives a cool effect. So while that modeling paste is on the stencil, we leave it all on there, and then I'm spraying some acrylic spray over the top of it. And here I'm using pink and green, which are warm and cool colors, so you have to be careful if you're doing something like this. If the colors mix too much, you'll get mud, but I really wanted to have this pink and green together, and it works best with this technique if you do it all at once. So I've put it all on here. I'm just giving it a quick zap with the gun there just to get any of the excess liquid, and then we're going to set it aside to let it dry once we've peeled that stencil back. You'll see in the end too, when we show the close-up, that it gives it a really cool effect, and it keeps that color in the stenciled area. So I wanted this ribbon to be yellow, so I just sprayed it with some acrylic spray there, and I'm making a bow, and then I'm going to put some double-sided adhesive on the back. I wanted this bow to be, sort of wrapped around the bouquet, so just have a bow in the middle there and wrap it around the card front and the bouquet. So then I'm going to use that same double-sided tape to stick it to the back, and this card is pretty simple. I'm sticking it down to some pearl green matte cardstock, and then I'm using double-sided foam adhesive to adhere that sentiment down to. I've die cut and stamped that, and used white embossing powder to accentuate the sentiment, but I really wanted the focal point to be this rose bouquet. And you'll see here in the close-up, look at the cracks where the color dried over that that modeling paste, and just the texture that it provides and the way that it looks is so fun. It's so pretty. There are a lot of really fun ways that you can use this through a stencil, and I had such a great time making this. Thanks so much for watching. If you don't subscribe already, please consider subscribing and hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Bye.